Hey guys, well, got a replacement. It's a 2001 Chrysler Town & Country all-wheel drive limited. This is Mr. Mom version 3, the luxury edition. We've done a lot of work to it to even get it back on the road. We're talking about front struts, all new front suspension, inners, tie rods, outer tie rods, lower control arms, oil change, fluid flushes. We've replaced the water pump in it, spark plug wires, spark plugs, coolant flush, upper and lower radiator hoses, thermostat. This thing has 191,000 miles on it. It's led a pretty hard life, as you can see by the little bit of body damage there. Previous owner had it since new. It does have some issues. Nothing's gonna stop it from driving and out doing gambler events. I still got to get my tires mounted to it, get the exhaust work done, install the rear hitch. Wiring's coming along. As you can see, I got that light bar up there. I still haven't done any lighting in the front. We just started stickering it up with stickers that I had. We also did a lift in the front, lifted it up 1.5 inches, did it properly. We're going to end up working on the rear too, pushing the rear down. Still going to have my signature Jeep wheels on it with the 235 75s, 15s. This has been a humbling experience. Building the first Mr. Mom, having fun with it. It still lives. Just needs a lot more work than I can put into it. Mr. Mom version 2, well, you seen the video on that. I did get in an accident. I'm still healing up from it. A little update on that. I can finally wear a shoe again. I do have screws and plates in my right foot, but I can say these vans can take a hit. So, yeah. I've gotten a lot of help from my family and friends to help me get this far. Sorry about the background noise. So far we got the alignment done, brakes are done, new calipers in the front, new pads. You're going to see a lot more videos on it. I'm prepping for the Chehalis Poker Run. That's where it's going to make its debut. Still got a lot of work to do in a short amount of time. But I thought I might give you guys an update. Go ahead and share this, hit like, subscribe. Alright. What's up? New van. Haven't done any videos on it yet. We've been working pretty hard. Already got the stereo in. Did a whole rebuild on the front suspension. Struts, inners, outer tie rods, lower control arms. Everything. On our way to get the alignment done. We also did a lift. I'll get some more video of it. Just thought I might share with you guys that I'm building another one. Ooh, getting an alignment.